Dear children, last day I was taught you structure and social status of French society in 18th century. The structure of society as first state, second state and third state. Now look at the page number 11, 13, sorry, page number 13. The struggle to survive. The population of France rose at a rapid pace from about 23 million in 1715 to 28 million in 1789. This led to a rapid increase in the demand for food grains. Due to low production, the supply of grains could not keep pace with the demand. As a result, the price of bread, which was the staple diet of the majority, soared up rapidly. Most workers were getting fixed wages, so the gap between the poor and the rich got widened. Things became worse whenever drought or hail destroyed the harvest. This led to a subsistence crisis, something that occurred frequently in France during the Old Regime. The cause of subsistence crisis: bad harvest, scarcity of grains, rising food prices. The poorest can no longer buy bread, food, riot, weaker bodies, and disease and epidemic, increased number of the death. A growing middle class invests and into privilege. In the past, the peasant and worker had participated in the revolts against increasing tax and food scarcity. However, they lacked the resources and programs to carry out full-scale measures that could bring about a change in the social and economic order. This was led to the groups of the third state who had become prosperous and had access to education and new ideas as well. The rise of the middle class. The 18th century witnessed the emergence of social group termed as middle class. It was the class comprising businessmen, traders, bankers, manufacturers, scholars, merchants, lawyers, etc. All of these were educated and had a firm belief that no group in the society should enjoy privilege by birth. The middle class people became the leaders of the revolution. They came forward with the slogan of liberty, equality, and fraternity. They were now determined to get rid of the feudal system. They concluded that as long as the feudal system prevailed, the French society had no chance of moving forward on the road to prosperity and plenty, as the feudal barriers were serious obstruction to the growth of industrial capitalism. Role of the contemporary philosophers on emergence of middle class. The philosophers like John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and Montesquieu considered the middle class solely responsible for revolution. They separate the ideas of freedom, equal laws, and opportunities for all. John Locke, in this book, Two Treatises of Government, criticized the doctrine of the divine and absolute right of the monarch. Jean-Jacques Rousseau carried the idea forward, proposing a form of government based on social contact between people and their representatives. Montesquieu, in this book, The Spirit of the Laws, proposed a division of power between the legislature, executive, and judiciary. This was the model that was introduced in the USA. The American Constitution, with its guarantee of individual rights, had a deep impact upon political thinkers in France. The ideas expressed by the philosophers were popularized in coffee houses, saloon, books, and newspapers. Books and newspapers were read aloud to the people who could not read or write. The news of further taxation to meet the state expenses caused anger and led to protest. The outbreak of the revolution. Next day. Thanks.